Hello friends. In today's video, I'm going to show you a very easy method to save a dying plant. Just look at the condition of this one, the leaves have stopped growing, and it's drying up fast. If we don't act now, it will die completely. To revive it, we just need to follow a few simple steps. First, we need to cut away all the dead leaves and branches. As you can see here, we are removing the parts that are already gone so the plant can focus its energy on new growth.
Next, we'll carefully loosen the soil around the edges of the container. Be very gentle here, we want to avoid damaging the roots. We'll remove a bit of the old soil to make room for fresh nutrients.
Now, let's add some organic compost. You can use whatever you have available, like vermi-compost, cow dung compost, or kitchen waste compost. Mix it well with the soil we just took out, and then fill the container back up.
After that, give the plant a good watering. From now on, check the soil daily and water it whenever it feels dry. By following these steps, your plant will start growing again. Within 45 to 50 days, it should look full and healthy like this. Before we go, here is a bonus tip. Always do this process in the late evening. This allows the plant to adapt to the changes overnight and protects it from heat stress during the day. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy planting!